Hello, students. Welcome back to your geography class. We're doing the chapter climate, and last class we learned many terms. We learned climate, then we learned about the word weather. We also learned the difference between these two. I hope you all are clear with it now. We also learned that India has monsoon type of climate, and you all learned about the word monsoon. What else can you all remember? We learned about the word precipitation. Do you all remember that? So today, I want to do an activity with you all to sum up some of the learnings we have learned last time. So last time we learned that there is a difference between the temperature between two regions. Okay, and you all saw that some parts of Rajasthan deserts it touches 50 degrees in the summer, and some areas like in Kashmir it only reaches like 20 degrees Celsius. So there's a difference in the temperature between two regions. So that is the activity that we are going to be doing today, and we are going to be doing a research on it, and we are going to do it together. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin. So we are open your notebooks. So if you all have not taken notebooks with you all are sitting very leisurely thinking, like all the other classes, we're going to just listen to stuff. No, we're going to write, we're going to do things. So pause the video, run, get your note, listen to the things you need. You need your notebook, you need your color pencil pouch, you will need ruler, eraser, pencils, pens. Okay, go get all these things, and of course, get your textbook also. And you will also need another device to do research work. But if you do not have another device, you can use the one that you're using right now. That's absolutely fine. All right, go and bring your things while I'm thinking you're going to pause here and go bring your things. So I'm going to continue speaking. Okay, so now what I want you all to do is you all are going to find the data of temperature and rainfall of these 6 cities in India. Okay, and you all are going to find out about them in 2 different months. So we are going to find out about them, let's say in May and let's say November. Okay, so we're going to take 2 separate months and we're going to find data about it, and we're going to do it together. So you and me will do this together. So on your page, on your in your notebooks, make this do city, average temperature, average rainfall. Yeah, and one more thing you all do, which I have not done over here, but I want you all to do is I want you all to write the month. So you will write May. So write month May. Okay, so just write month on the top. Okay, I don't have the place in my slide to comfortably write and show you all. Just write month May. All right, and do this city, average temperature, rainfall, and in the city you all are going to write down the names of all the cities that we have decided. So Shimla, Delhi, Mumbai, so you will write it down. Okay. Shimla, Delhi. Please excuse my handwriting. I'm really trying very hard. This is what I'm doing with the mouse. I have no stylus, okay? This is as perfect as I can do right now. Please don't copy my handwriting. Oh, bye. Which others were there? Kolkata, Chennai, Dispur. Okay. Okay. Now, after we have written these down, so now what I want to do is I'm going to go on the internet and we are going to find data of the year 2019 because we will search for 2019 only because 2020 November hasn't taken place because the next table we are going to make is of November. Okay, so we'll search for the year 2019. So what I'm doing is I'm finding data on Google. I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to write average temperature of Shimla in May 2019. And whatever number I'm going to get, I'm going to put it out here. If your number is different, it's absolutely fine. You can use some other website and that is absolutely fine. Okay. So I'm doing it at the same time I want. At the same time I want you all to do it. Okay. Yeah. So I am taking the average high, okay? But if you all want, you all can take the high and the low and get an average and do that. That's absolutely fine. The website I am using is weatherindia.com. It's a nice website. It's weatherind.com. It works fine. I'm also doing the rainfall at the same time because if I go to the website weatherint.com, it tells me about the temperature, rainfall, daylight, sunshine, everything. So I'm picking up the rainfall from here. The rainfall in May over here is 56.4 mm. So I'm going to write that down. You decide if you want to do inches or you want to do millimeters. Even in temperature, whether you want to do Celsius or you want to do Fahrenheit, it's absolutely a choice for you. But whatever you do, you will do for all the 6 cities. You can't take millimeters in one and inches in the other, or Celsius in one, Fahrenheit in the other. Whatever you do, you're going to do the same through all the cities. So I'm going to take Celsius and I'm going to take millimeters for me. Okay, so you fill this chart up and I'm filling it up, okay? I had little trouble finding the DISPER climate, but I have found another website, which is climatedata.org, which is giving me the information in case any child is suffering, struggling. All right, so this is the data that I have been able to find. Okay, so whatever is your data, every website will have different data. So do not compare and go like, okay, ma'am has taken this and I have taken something else. No, you have searched and you have to trust your search. We have to trust your own survey. So this is mine, that is yours. Now after you have taken this data with you all, what I want you all to do is you all are going to make a bar graph of temperature and rainfall both. Okay, so average temperature, average rainfall. All right, in the month of May of these 6 cities. Similarly, you will do the same exercise and find November 2019 data also. And you all will draw two bar graphs, okay, of November 2019. And then after that, what I want you all to do, so I'm erasing all this, okay. I'm erasing all this for myself. You all can so that because only then the screen will get cleared, otherwise it will keep coming on the other screens also. So after this, see, you won't be able to see anything. So I'm erasing all my data. All right. Now what I want you all to do is I want you all to draw bar graphs, not pie charts. Okay, I'm not allowing you to do pie charts. only bar graph in your notebook, and you will show the comparison. How will you show it? You will have one page of notebook. Suppose this is the page, okay, and this is your chart first. This is the chart that we made. So this will be your May chart over here, okay, and this will be your November chart over here. On the next page, okay, I'm assuming it'll be back to back, whatever it is, whichever is your next page, you are going to do your May bar graph over here. Okay, so this will be your temperature one, this will be your rainfall one. Then you will have another page. In this, you are going to do November one. November, temperature, rainfall. And then in the next page over here, I want you to write. I want you all to write about the climate of our district. Okay, these two are going to show the comparison. So in the next page, you're going to write the, out of these, you're going to write the comparison. Okay, so don't write about the climate of your district. No, don't do this. Write about the climate difference. So write about the comparative study between these 6 cities. Okay, so why, what you have observed. So you will say, for example, Chennai is pretty hot in May compared to November when it receives the most rainfall, and you will draw your conclusions of these 6 cities, which is the hottest, which is the hottest, which receives the most rainfall in May, which receives the most rainfall in November, which is the coldest in November, which is the hottest in November, which is the hottest in May, which is the coldest in May. Whatever are your conclusions that you see when you see these two bar graphs of May and November, and May and November, and temperatures and 6 cities, what is your takeaway when you see those bar graphs? How do you read them? And I want you all to write it on one page. And after writing it, that written, give me a picture, send me a picture of that written work. Send it to me so that I can see what is your takeaway, what is your key learning. Okay, so this is your activity that you have to do. I have done half the activity with you all, guided you through, explained you. The rest you will do on your own. So this weekend, this is the activity you all will do. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Meet you all next time. Thank you.